Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center. And today we're taking a look at the American-made Spyderco Para 3. Let's check it out. A spin-off from the ever-popular Paramilitary 2, the Spyderco Para 3 is a little bit smaller, and in my opinion, it's just about perfect. Although we only get about 2.5 inches of sharpened edge, the handle is still nice and big and offers a full grip for big jobs. The blade is instantly recognizable as a Spyderco. It's got a broad profile, a full flat grind, and a large opening hole. The standard model features S30V blade steel for solid edge retention, and it can be had with a plain edge, partially serrated, or even a fully serrated edge. It also features a textured G10 handle for plenty of grip, and it retains some of the key features of the larger Paramilitary 2, namely the 4-position pocket clip for any carry preference and an oversized lanyard hole. It also houses Spyderco's compression lock, which allows for safe one-handed operation by keeping your fingers out of the closing path of the blade. It also allows you to easily flick the blade open and closed if that's your preference. In use, it sort of resembles a spine-mounted liner lock, but it's even stronger, and that's thanks to a tab that sticks into the tang of the knife so that you have multiple surfaces of engagement, rather than a single one as you would with a standard liner lock. Apart from the standard version, in typical Spyderco fashion, they've released several variants, upgrades, and sprint runs over the years. The latest is the new lightweight Para 3, which joins the standard lineup. It's still made in the USA, and it offers an even more economical entry into the lineup by swapping in CTS BD1N steel and Spyderco's famous bidirectional textured FRN handles. This material offers plenty of grip and strength without a lot of weight. This knife also shakes it up a bit on the hardware front, moving and shrinking the lanyard hole just a little, and adding a deep carry wire pocket clip that is reversible for left or right side tip-up carry. Because Spyderco is willing to work with just about any steel in the market, we've got a few other great options that currently exist too, including this Blurple G10 model with S110V steel. There are also several earth brown G10 models that sport S35VN steel with either a black or a satin finish. And for something that's even more unconventional but super interesting is this version right here with peel-ply carbon fiber scales and 52-100 carbon steel. These are just the tip of the iceberg, but no matter which you choose, the Spyderco Para 3 makes a phenomenal EDC or even a backup tactical knife. To get your hands on one, click the link in the description below to head over to knifecenter.com.